In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics on a website. To begin, open your browser and go to Google Analytics. Once you are signed in, you should land on the Analytics home area. This is the main dashboard where Google shows an overview of what is happening in your properties, like traffic trends and recent activity. If you do not see the correct workspace right away, that is normal. Many users have access to multiple accounts and properties, and you may need to switch to the right one. Next, look to the left side navigation and click Admin. Admin is where you manage settings for your account, property, and data collection. This is also where you connect your website, so Analytics can start receiving visits, page views, and other events. Inside Admin, click Data Streams. A data stream is the connection between Analytics and the platform that sends data in, like a website or an app. Since we are setting this up for a website, we will be working with a web stream. On the Data Streams page, click the section that says Receiving Traffic in Past 48 Hours. This view helps you confirm whether any stream is already collecting data. It is a quick way to see if tracking is active or if you still need to set it up. Then click the highlighted stream area that appears in the list. This is where you would review an existing stream, if one is already connected. After that, click All Accounts to open the account selector. This is important if the wrong account is currently selected. Choose the correct account name from the list, then select the correct property underneath it. In the example workflow, you would click the account and property shown on screen, but for you, select the ones that match your organization and website. Once you are in the right property, go back to Data Streams and click Add Stream. Choose Web, since you are connecting a website. When prompted, click Yes to confirm the setup option shown. Then follow the on-screen highlighted fields to finish the stream details. Take your time here and make sure the website information you enter matches your live site, since this is what Analytics uses to associate incoming traffic with the correct stream. After you complete those highlighted selections, your web data stream is created, and Analytics is ready to receive website data through that stream. And that is all there is to it.